Highness's map, I'm going to tell you how is the world going on, as well as how is the future technology going on. Okay my dear subscribers, let's go to the video. In this video, we have to know the legend of mastermind, Elon Musk's. The greatest inventions are to be changing the world. The first invention of Elon Musk is Tesla Motors. These days, it's impossible not to think of Musk without quickly thinking of Tesla, the publicly traded electric car company, whose stock has increased nearly 700% in the last 2.5 years to just under $213 share. Despite reporting third-quarter results that missed Wall Street expectations, the company boasts revenues of $1.24 billion and claims strong guidance for future deliveries. There's plenty of demand for the cars, especially the upcoming Model 3. Tesla to set up electric car manufacturing unit in India. Musk, the world's richest man, has tweeted several times about his desire to enter the Indian. Next invention is more interesting. Bricks turned into energy storing devices. Red bricks are one of the strongest building materials that have been widely used in construction for more than 6,000 years. The bricks can be connected to solar panels and store renewable energy. Bricks have a porous structure that enables the storing process. Researchers estimated that 50 capacitor inside bricks. Everyone want to fly in the sky with good flight. Your assumption is right. Electric jet is most valuable invention. As electric planes pass another milestone, Future Planet asks how long will it be before they are ready for everyday aviation? And just how far can they go? A large airfield surrounded by farmland in central Washington state, an electric aeroplane recently made history. It is the biggest commercial plane ever to take off and fly powered by electricity alone. It's a far carry from the 200-300-seater jet that takes you on weekend city breaks or work trips, never mind the huge double-decker planes that cross continents. But the E-Caravan test flight was a success. Your think is right. Millionaire used the electric jet, and ordinary people were to drive. I have answer for it. That is other electric vehicle. Engineered ground up with a singular focus on performance, the other 450X is a sheer joy to ride. Out-accelerate everyone with a twist on the throttle, cruise at top speeds and cross across the city on a single charge. And never go to refuel again. Need other dot. A dedicated, connected, and easy-to-install home charger to recharge your other 450X in your own parking space. And the world's most popular slogan is, "Powerful people comes from powerful places." Next inventions is very suitable for before slogan. Invention is the world's first space hotel. When you run a hotel, it can be hard enough to keep on top of your competition down here on Earth. But very soon a new hotel will make a play for ultimate bragging rights by opening in space. Aurora Station, developed by Orionspan, will orbit its guests around the globe 16 times each day. It means that every 90 minutes lucky traveler will experience a sunrise and a sunset from the world's first luxury space hotel, located 200 miles above the Earth's surface. So, what are the in and outs of this huge development? Surely there's a catch. Well, only if you count the $9.5 million reserve. The next invention is most craziest one, that is smart jacket with built-in heater. This jacket has special heating elements built in the back, chest, and wrist areas. With the help of special sensors, you can adjust the heat output, and in accordance with your wishes. A useful discovery that will be appreciated not only by active sports fans. The heated garments have small wires built into them. They then heat up when a low electric charge is passed through. These are the easiest to use and most common type of heated clothing and are powered by rechargeable batteries. The most popular items we sell are heated gloves and jacket. Wait, another one invention is here. This is air cleaning headphones. Yes, it is clean your ear dust. Earwax buildup is something millions of people deal with, and it can lead to many complications such as loss of hearing. When you go to an otolaryngologist, it takes about 20 minutes to clean out an ear. With the Otoset, it takes about 5 minutes. The Otoset is a pair of headphones with irrigation and suction tips used as an automated ear cleaning system. This device is made to spray water into your ears and suck out earwax at the same time. The residue is then collected into a disposable container. That's all about today's video, guys. Keep in touch, guys. We will meet you tomorrow, my dear subscribers. Please subscribe my channel, share, comment, and click the bell icon for getting update from my channel.